Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in mobile payment solutions with Square easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin investing in mobile payment solutions with Square, first visit the Square website. Create an account by clicking on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address and choose a password. Next, provide the required personal information, such as your name and business details. Once your account is set up, log in and access the dashboard. Explore the features Square offers, including payment processing, analytics, and inventory management. To understand the investment potential, research the current market trends related to mobile payments. Check Square's recent financial reports, focusing on revenue growth and user adoption rates. Consider signing up for Square's newsletter to receive updates and insights. Explore the Square investment opportunities by reviewing their stock options. If you're looking to purchase shares, open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable brokerage that best suits your investment needs. Once your brokerage account is active, search for Square using its stock ticker symbol, SQ. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase based on your investment strategy. Place a market or limit order to buy Square shares. Monitor your investment regularly through the Square dashboard and your brokerage platform. Stay updated on industry news impacting mobile payment solutions to make informed decisions. Consider setting up alerts for significant changes in Square's stock price. Evaluate your investment periodically to determine if it aligns with your financial goals. Engage with online communities or forums discussing Square and mobile payments to gain insights. Remember to consult with a financial advisor if you need additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.